Week 6. During the last week, week 5, we had the opportunity to work and develop the motor vehicle insurance database. Written assignment 5 was asking to develop all the tables according to the schema that I sent to you, to develop the relationships among the tables, and to visually connect those tables. This week, we will continue with the structure query language. This is a language that helps us to develop questions for our database. Okay, then, also for this week, I'm going to use a Macintosh and SQL Server 2012. So, let's continue. Connect. Let me expand this. Alright, maximize. Okay. Alright, let me expand this databases folder, and in your machine, as in mine, you have the motor vehicle insurance database. Okay? You have also added rows for each table. Okay then, let me expand this folder. In my case, I have the DBL drivers, the DBA evaluation codes, and this link table. Remember the demonstration I had for you during week 5. Okay, and then I went up here to the database diagrams in order to create and visually connect these tables. So we have this link table because we identified during the analysis phase that the relationship between these two tables is many to many. So we created this one. So I have this one-to-many relationship with the TBA link violation code and one-to-many relationship with the violation codes and TBA link violation drivers. So we're going to create queries. Okay, then first you will study the material SQL Server Part 1. Then for each one of the statements I presented on the material, I want you to create two similar statements for your motor vehicle insurance database. Then, using print screens, send me your work. Okay then, so what you're going to do, you will come here, new query. Okay, and now you are ready to write your SQL statement. We will start with a simple select statement, like select everything, all the rows, from which table. Either you write the name of the table or drag and drop. That's it, we finished. A very simple select statement. I asked all the rows from this table and then execute. Here's the result. Okay, all the rows from the TBL drivers. I remind you that I have, for the demonstration purposes for week 5, only used 2 columns. In your case, you have expanded and used all the columns I described to you at the full motor vehicle insurance schema. Let's write other select statement, enter, select. Let me choose only one column for each row. Select int driver, I specify the name ID of the column, from which table? From, again, that one. Okay, so drag and drop. Okay. Although it was red underlined, after I wrote the name of the table, everything's fine. Of course, I should have misspelled this name of the column. Then I have to go back and correct it. Now, if I press execute, it will execute the first select and the second select statement. This is the output of the first, and this one is the output of the second. If I want only the second one, I select the second one and I press execute. The output only of the second one. If I want only one statement to appear on this space, I delete the first one, okay? And then execute. Okay, I want you to continue like this and develop your answers for the written assignment of week 6. Please feel free to ask me any question you have.